Welcome to Module 3 of BACnet The Basics, Protocol Details. We were frequently asked for information on BACnet, so we created this series of modules. They are derived from the BACnet 101 session that I presented for BACnet International at the 2019 NFM&T show in Baltimore. The goal is to educate you on the basics of BACnet and show how fundamental it is to S4 Group products. I'm Steve Jones, your presenter for this module. At the lower levels of the protocol stack, traditional and standardized physical, electrical, and network transports are utilized. New objects with their associated properties and services are added as necessary to support additional building infrastructure vertical areas. The underlying technology used to build these objects is consistent with IT data definitions. It would be a daunting task if every device had to implement every feature of BACnet. As mentioned in the value proposition discussion, only the parts of the protocol needed for any given application need to be implemented. The objects defined by BACnet provide a model for each vertical subsystem that, when combined, define the infrastructure of a building. Implementation of algorithms behind these objects are a local matter for the developer. This provides a lot of opportunity for each manufacturer to differentiate themselves. If the standard objects do not meet the needs for a specific application, the manufacturer is able to create non-standard objects. This feature needs to be used with caution as it could impact interoperability. BACnet services read and write properties of the objects hosted in devices. Status updates for objects are sent as notifications and events. Combined, the objects, properties, and services form the personality of a BACnet device. Services are grouped into categories to make it easier to describe the functionality provided by a service. The BACnet Priority Array functionality is unique. We know of no other communications protocol that provides a similar capability. The Priority Array allows multiple applications to work with any data point in a completely deterministic manner. BACnet device profiles provide a way of defining the core functionality provided by a device. The details are documented in the Protocol Interface Conformance Statement, or PICS, document provided by the manufacturer for each device. BACnet devices from different manufacturers can be brought under a single operator workstation or user interface. Data from BACnet devices can be published to cloud-based or local value-added applications to create smart buildings. The first requirement in any specification seeking to create a smart building should be the use of the BACnet protocol. This ensures interoperability and maximum competition between manufacturers. Then, the specification should address the functionality or sequence of operations that must be delivered by each device or value-added application. Many of you have heard me say over the years, we are not successful until you are successful. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have questions about the S4 Open BACnet N2 router or would like to discuss a specific project that we might work together on to create another success story.